That's right, Evan. Dr. Birx met with Governor Andy Beshear today to go over Kentucky's response to the pandemic. She says in order to prevent the Commonwealth from slipping into even more dangerous territory, it should shut down bars and limit restaurant capacity even more.
We can see what is happening in the South moving north.
White House Coronavirus Response Coordinator Dr. Deborah Birx says the current wave of COVID-19 cases spreading across the country is already on its way to Kentucky, Ohio, and Indiana. And she says these states need to act now to get things under control.
And I think that's why we have a real call to action for every Kentuckian to wear their mask and to protect those in their families by not going to large social gatherings.
The administration recommends every person wear masks when inside public buildings, which Kentucky already requires. It also wants to see increased calls for social distancing, no groups of more than 10 people gathering at all, restaurant capacity reduced to 25%, and bars to be shut down altogether.
To really make it possible to control the pandemic before it gets worse in states like Kentucky, Indiana, Ohio, Tennessee, and Virginia.
But I tell you what, I just saw a picture of a couple bars last night in Lexington that have hundreds of people in them, and none of them are wearing masks. Now, that's a problem.
Governor Andy Beshear says he will announce new efforts Monday that line up with what the White House is recommending, but has not said specifically what those changes will be.
And that's going to require us to take some steps that we don't want to take, but you know, we're all living for each other right now. And we got a duty to not go to that place. And then we have a duty, if we're at that place, to wear the mask.
Governor Beshear says the hard part will be getting everyone to follow that mask mandate. He says he will also have an update on Kentucky's expected reopening of schools tomorrow and where the Commonwealth stands in terms of that. Reporting live in Newport, Josh Bazan, WCPO 9 News.